Dear ones, before we move into the energies of September 2021, let us review what has occurred in August. The timeline set for these types of disclosures is in the next several months. Hopefully, by the end of your year 2021, these timelines will become more solid. This is permanent. There is no turning back from the opening of these light flows. And these flows of light will continue to open, providing more and more higher frequency, more and more disclosure. Dear ones, this does not mean that the chaos is over or that the difficulties are over. But it does mean that there is a very profound influence and influx of the light. I will put it in terms of polarity for your understanding. The collective is understanding more and more every day what has occurred and what the hidden agendas, so to speak, behind all of this have been. And so as the collective questions and begins to gain more understanding, there is an increase in frequency in the collective energy field, thereby creating a dissolving of the timelines. The current collective energy is at a tipping point where what some have called a pandemic is dissolving. In the reality of some, it does not exist at all. In the reality of others, it very much exists, and there is a great disparity or a great gap between these two extremes. Now, for your month of September in your year 2021, the energies will continue to amplify. I'm speaking specifically now of the light energies. As always, dear ones, the invitation is to work with your own energies to stay grounded and anchored in your body, to stay connected and grounded to Mother Earth, to continue the spiritual practices that work for you, to keep your energy flows open, and to stay in service in the highest way that you know how for your own soul mission and path.
Are there different versions of the 5G, the one that is harmful and other ones that are not so harmful?
There is no reason to go into low frequency about whatever may or may not occur. I remind you, dear ones, that you, as a human, have much more power than you have realized. And even if you have an understanding of the degree and depth of power that you have, there is another level where you come together to join forces in the power of your hearts and the power of your souls and the power of the light to restore heaven on earth. The time is now, dear ones. The time is now, and I thank you. As always, I offer these transmissions for your discernment. Tune into your own hearts and souls to feel what part of the transmission is for you. Thanks for tuning in.